Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today. I'm going to go get some barbecue. We're going to Hayden Block Smokin' Whiskey, located in the Kensington area of Calgary, Alberta. It's some fantastic barbecue, so we're going to go have a little feast. First up, Mookie and I are going to make a drink. So we're going to do a passion fruit Moscow Mule. So let's get started. I'm just going to put the Mook star down. All right, but you still got to pay attention, Mookie. All right, so any good Moscow Mule, you need a copper mug. It really does keep it extra cold. And today I got a giant ice cube. So just a basic Moscow Mule is lime, vodka, and ginger beer. That's the kick in the mule part. So we'll start with the basics. We'll just do a shot of vodka. And then I have some fresh lime. I actually picked this morning, right from the grocery store. So we'll do a ½ ounce of lime. And it is probably better if you do the fresh lime. And then we got some ginger beer, but I'm going to add the passion fruit components. So I got a ½ ounce of passion fruit syrup. And then I have some passion fruit juice. We'll do 2 ounces of passion fruit juice. This is a really nice tart juice. It'll go well with the Moscow Mule. And then we're just going to finish it off with the ginger beer. I actually got some low-calorie ginger beer today. Mookie and I had a rough Christmas holidays, so we got to watch our waistline. All right. Mookie, you're out of the shot. Get back here, darling. All right, so that is my passion fruit Moscow Mule. I had a lime wedge as a garnish somewhere, but I think Mookie might have knocked it off the bar. Anyways, we're going to head out to Kensington and have a little barbecue, so check it out. All right, I think that went well, Mookie. What do you think? Thanks for watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We got a new episode every Friday. This is Mookie and Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.